Alright guys, welcome back. This is the reassembly of the Sonico Euro cylinder that we just picked and gutted. I'll go ahead and give you guys a review of that. We've got all standard pins, top and bottom. The only outliers are the first pins in each of the two plugs, which are actually key pins with the tapered end facing downwards. Everything else is just as you would imagine. So let's start by pinning up these plugs. Now to do that, I'm going to show you this little tool here. This is a plug holder. In fact, I'll show you all of the tools I'm using real quick, since if you're new to Euro cylinders, you're probably unfamiliar with a lot of these tools as well. So this is from a kit that I got on banggood.com. I got this a while back with a lockpicking lawyers promo code, which I'm pretty sure doesn't work anymore, but I got this for about 20 bucks shipped from China, and it actually came pretty quickly. It only took about a week or so. Surprising. But it comes with all these tools. This is the pinning shoe. You saw me use this in the gutting, and I'll show you how to use that to put it back together. Comes with a couple followers. This is the one we're using for this lock. This is another one of the multi-piece followers. I might do a video showing how these work later, but we're not going to need these today. C-clip remover, and then the plug holder that I'll show you how to use now. If you want to get this set, you can get it from Banggood, or there's a lot of other places that sell them. I just saw it on uklockpickers.com or .co.uk, I assume, and it's also selling on eBay right now. You can find them for probably about 30 bucks, which isn't too bad of a price, especially with how effective they are at reassembling and disassembling Euro cylinders, which is damn near impossible without the right tools. So this is how the plug holder works. You just put your plug in there, put your key, put your pins in, and this helps you self-check and make sure that your pins are actually right. This holder has the same tolerances as the lock body that the plug sits in. So if this can turn freely without getting caught up, then you know that you're good to go inside the lock. So I'll go ahead and pull that out. And then same thing here. Insert my key. Then start pinning 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rotate, and we're good to go. Now, the fun part, I'm going to pin up the lock body itself, put our plug follower in, straight through, and it's actually easier to gut both sides of your Euro cylinder than just one side. I'll probably show what that's like in another video. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But pinning it from just one side is a huge pain in the ass, and you need separate tools, which are in here. But this way it's more of a standard North American style lock, or at least the process is. Just popping springs, putting the pin, slide the plug forward, plug follower, and make sure that the tapered end of these first pins are sticking in the right direction. And you just go and pin up both sides all the way in the top. 4, pin 3, pin 2, and pin 1, our tapered pin. And now the top pins are fully set in the body of the lock. Now again, we'll just pick an arbitrary side, doesn't really matter which side. Get the notch lined up with the Bible. You can see the first top pin sticking out there a little bit. Get the pinning shoe. And trap those top pins. And then use the plug. Make sure we use the right side. This is the 4-pin side, so we use 4-pin plug. Slide that guy right in. And you can pull the shoe right off. Now I'm going to do like I did disassembling it, pushes out just ever so slightly. Just enough to get the cam piece back in. He says. Okay, it's in there. And put the pinning shoe on the other side. Again, you can see the top pins contained in there. Now, one note on the cam piece here. You see how the top pins are this way, so this plug is upside down, and the cam piece is sticking up. Now, if I put this so that the cam piece was down, and I relocked the cylinder, it would be locked in the upward direction. So you want to make sure that you remember to put it on the outside when you've got the plugs turned upside down. Okay, so on this side the top pins are held down by the shoe. Pull out the follower and drop the plug right in. Hold down the plug so I don't accidentally pull it out. Pop off the shoe. And now you're reassembled. Just got to put your C-clips back on. Okay, shove them down. A lot of Euro cylinders have different type of clips that are you have to actually bend them to get them off, and then use a pair of pliers or a special tool to bend them back in place. But these guys just pop right in. They're a little loose, but not too bad. And lock it back up. And we'll make sure that I didn't screw anything up here by testing our key. And sure enough, it does work. So there you go. The reassembly of the Sonico Euro cylinder, 7-pin with the extra long key. Interesting design. Not a particularly difficult lock to pick, but cool nonetheless. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you got something out of it. See you next time.